Can you guys hear how hard it's raining? It's about 8 o'clock, 8:30 here, I think. I'm gonna have to delay my jog this morning until maybe later, and I'm not gonna take a shower yet until I've jogged. So pretty much gonna get started on the day this morning. So I'll let you have a look outside here. Alright, finally booked my ticket for Tokyo, and I'm going to be flying out in at the end of May, and also booked 2 different hostels to stay there before my friends get there, and then I'm in the process of booking Airbnb before we all go there. Prices for the hostels are about $17 for the first one. It's like a capsule hotel, so I can try it out. And then the second one is like a regular hostel for about $25 US. And then the Airbnb can range from, I think it was $168 and $145 for 2 places. So I'm just asking my friends to see which one they would prefer. And so I got it all booked. My flights are booked, my hostels are booked. So just waiting around that Airbnb, and then I think we should be good to go after that. Just headed out to visit my friend Jesse, and we're gonna go check out Floresta Park. Supposedly there's some stuff going on, so I'm gonna go to this place and check it out. Been coding most of the day, and now just trying to get a nice walk in. Right. So I have this idea for it's like a traveling app. It helps you. I told you about it, right?
Yeah, I think so.
To link up people. There's a lot of people in Laurel's.
Yeah. This is like really local.
Para apagar. Es el clamor del dolor y del sufrimiento, de la desesperanza y de la angustia.
Hung out?
No, he's still like
Okay. He does like marketing, and then he also teaches English online.
Yeah, so he does teach.
Yeah. So he teaches too, but like not. He's not in the program that me and Cheska are.
Okay,
Stop confusing him, man.
I'm sorry.
Okay, I'm listening to you.
I know, it's good.
Just
I'm
watch.
not saying I'm a god, but I understand the situation. Okay.
What's up?
Yo.
What's going on?
In the 5-7.
In the 5-7? We were just watching a parade. Alright, so I just got back, and we were just at Floresta Park, just enjoying some of the festivities. And as you guys can see, there was a parade. There's a lot of food stands, and we just got a few beers and drinks just to chill out. The cool thing here is that you can drink in public, so I hung out with a couple of friends here, a couple of new friends as well, and I wish I hadn't eaten dinner already because there was some really good food there, and maybe I'll save my stomach for tomorrow because I think they'll still have the stands there. And just gonna go back here and get ready to crash. Kind of tired today. The rain's been bring my energy level down a little bit, but yeah, pretty good night. I'm glad I got out and it stopped raining and everything. So all in all, it's a good night.